Good morning, everyone. Be ready for the morning prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes.
तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश
Now, today's special assembly for celebrating the World Heart Day. The World Heart Day is celebrated every year on 29th September. Now, little history for the World Heart Day, that when it started and from which country the World Heart Day celebration started. It started in year 2000 by World Heart Federation, which is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Why we are celebrating World Heart Day? To inform people that heart diseases and stroke are world leading cause of death. It is claiming about 1 crore 73 lakh deaths. So today we will know that how we should keep our heart healthy. For this, we have Anshika of class 8th with us.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I am Anshika, student of class 8th A, going to host on this occasion of World Heart Day. We have students from DAV Public School, Gold Market to show their work on virtually organized assembly here. Now, Anjali, student of class 8th A, going to share some facts about the heart.
Hello everyone, I am Anjali from class 8th. As the world struggles to fight with COVID-19, we have never been more aware of the importance of our and our loved ones' health. Cardiovascular disease remains India's #1 killer, resulting in 18.6 million deaths a year. It has many causes from smoking to high blood pressure and more. For 520 million people living with this disease, COVID-19 has been heartbreaking. And that's why many have been afraid to attend the routine and emergency appointment and have become isolated from their friends and family. So, this year on World Heart Day, we are asking the world to use heart to connect. Use Heart to Connect is about connecting with our own heart, making sure we are fueling and nurturing about our loved ones and the communities as best as we can. And using the power of digital to connect every heart everywhere. Harnessing the power of digital health to improve awareness, prevention and management of CVD globally is our goal for World Heart Day 2021. We have 3 key pillars. First is equity. Not all hearts are equal, but they should be. And digital health can help to redress the balance. Second is prevention. If you have an underlying health condition such as heart failure or high blood pressure, don't let COVID-19 stop you from your regular checkups and never avoid calling the emergency services. If you need to, it's safe. And medical professionals are there for you. And the third one is community. Digital network have the power to connect patient with their friends and family. So no one should have to feel alone, pandemic or not. So let's use technology to overcome the isolation and gaps in care.
I wish everyone a happy and healthy World Heart Day. Wish everyone a happy and healthy World Heart Day.
So now we have Vani Avinash from class 7 to share some risk factors of heart diseases with us.
Good morning everyone. I am Vani Avinash, student of class 7th. Today I am going to tell you some risk factors of heart diseases. There are many different forms of heart diseases. The most common causes are high blood pressure, cholesterol, lack of exercise, obesity, etc. First, let's talk about these 4 factors. The first factor is hypertension. High blood pressure or hypertension is a condition in which the force of the blood against the artery walls is too high. It can be risky if ignored. Here are some causes of high blood pressure: smoking, being overweight, lack of physical activity, too much salt in diet, too much alcohol consumption, and stress. The second factor is cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in your blood. Your body needs cholesterol to build healthy cells, but high levels of cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease. With high cholesterol, you can develop fatty deposits in your blood vessels. The third factor is lack of exercise. Not getting enough physical activity can lead to heart disease, even for people who have no other risk factors. It can also increase the likelihood of developing other heart disease risk factors, including obesity, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, and type 2 diabetes. The fourth factor is obesity. Obesity is a condition in which the natural energy reserve stored in the fatty tissue of humans and other mammals is increased to a point where it is a risk factor for certain health conditions. If we take precautions and avoid unhealthy food, we can prevent ourselves from suffering from such severe diseases. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now let me tell you about Remedy. Remedy's full form is rest well, eat healthy, do exercise daily, take doctor's advice and do yoga and meditation. For your healthy heart, do not take any type of stress. If you have any type of stress, reduce it by doing yoga and meditation. Do not smoke and practice healthy living habits.
Here the students of junior section have prepared some food which are good for our health and our heart.
The students of class 7 going to teach you some exercises which are good for your health and your heart.
Hey everyone, I am Roshni Rai of class 7 with my partner Soumya going to teach you some exercises which are good for your heart. So let's start.
Hello everyone, my name is Soumya. Now I will teach you rest of the exercises.
At the last, we have Mehek to share one message with us.
On the occasion of World Heart Day, I wish that your heart always stay healthy and happy. So take care of your diet and always keep your heart in good shape. The best way to keep your heart in healthy state is by eating right, sleeping right and not taking stress. Sending my best wishes on World Heart Day to you. Thank you.
I hope you all have enjoyed and liked our work. Thanks for watching. Good morning. Good morning.
Now it's time for thought of the day. So healthy diet and regular exercise and happiness are the perfect ingredients for a healthy heart. So always eat healthy to stay healthy. Now join your respective classes. Thank you everyone.